Men are good, as are you. This is a very quick heads up to let you know that tomorrow ICMI starts. Yes, ICMI, the International Conference on Men's Issues 2021, from December 13th to the 19th. Lots and lots of fascinating speakers. Kicked off tomorrow by, I think, Janice Fiamengo as a keynote. Should be interesting. And then on Friday, I'll be doing one on how men can respond to the female "you're not dealing with your feelings" ploy. Yeah, there's some good things for men to know about how to turn that around and kick it right back out. So we'll leave a link below for the conference and how to sign up. And man, it's worth it. It's like, I think it's 25 bucks or so, 20 pounds British, and for all week. So come and sign up, and keep in mind, men are good, as are you. We'll see you.